We're headed out to Smiley, Texas today. Our customer that we clean his King Air wants us to come out and polish and coat him and his dad's truck, so we are heading out that way now. Everything packed up in the back. It's a great breath of fresh air. It's like the start of almost like 2 mobile crews, if you will, for the Houston territory, as I have Latif, Birdman, and Brian really trained up really well. They are able to really accomplish anything that I really have set at the house, while I can go out and knock out some jobs on the road, make some money too. So we are looking for growth in 2025, and we are starting to get it, and it's really exciting. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a fun year, fun ride here. Hey there, fellow aviators and detailers. Welcome to my channel, The Plane Detailer, where we embark on an incredible journey around the globe, diving deep into the art of aircraft detailing. I'm Brandon, owner of Sparrowhawk Houston and a proud trainer for the Aviation Detailing Association, known as the ADA. Join me as we explore the world of aviation, and I share tips, tricks, and techniques to keep these antique beauties in pristine condition. Let me be your guide as we go about preserving these magnificent flying machines that are truly pieces of art. So buckle up and hit that subscribe button to follow along on this adventure. Let's preserve the legacy of these aircraft together, one detail at a time. Whether you're a seasoned detailer or an aviation aficionado, there's something here for everyone. Okay, that looks like this is the first vehicle we're going to be doing here. Alpha coating on there. So how do you stand out there? Vehicle number 1 of the week. Our client had that King Air. This is his dad's truck. We're going to do his truck. We're going to clean his mom's vehicle and maybe a couple side-by-sides on our next trip back here as well. This is my setup while I'm out of town this weekend working on the road. This used to drive my old partner nuts when I would refill a water bucket up with the pressure washer instead of just with the hose. So just know, I still do this, just with a smaller bucket this time. I think I got a 4x4 vehicle. Didn't know I was gonna need it for the parking lot. I'm trying to find some food right now, and I went off the beaten path. I took the wrong turn out of the Airbnb that I'm staying at. It looked like the GPS when I was like pulling out of it. It looked like I was trying to go to the right direction, so I made that left. And then I get down the road, and it's not the right direction. And this road is not a type of road where you can easily turn around at, because you got big semis coming either direction, barreling down the freeway. A 2-lane road, so take a back road back. That's the Airbnb that I'm saying. It's a run-down motel. Really is what it is. It's nothing fancy. So now it took like 15 minutes just to go 3 minutes. Heading back to the customer's house. This is day 2. We got the first truck. Got in like around like 11:30 yesterday. Got the first truck all washed down, deconned, clay barred, all the major big sections polished. I got to polish the roof and a little spot on the hood today. And then I'm gonna come by with one more pass. So like a white foam pad, really gloss this thing up. My light polish here, and then prep it and get it ready to be coated and start on the second vehicle today. And then our customer's coming back with a third vehicle tonight at 6 o'clock, and then we'll get started on that one tomorrow. Oh, these scratches all the way down here. Picking them all up. Toss all of them down there. Now all the scratches are done. That is the definition of a paint correction. See all the swirls and scratches, all where that light is. I'll follow the light. See, there's no more swirls all around those scratches. And I come back over here. Ooh, back to it. Alright, we are heading back to our customer's house. This is day 2. This is Wednesday morning. Day 3 really, technically. I did come Monday to get the car started. Yesterday, I got the whole truck polished, got ready to coat the truck, and then it had rained right when I went to start coating it, so it threw the humidity levels up to the roof, through a high spot that I then had to polish off. So it took like extra 2 or 3 hours on the vehicle. It kind of killed my efficiency yesterday. So it's raining right now, but we had moving the vehicle into a shop at the customer's property, and we are got some fans in there running, so hopefully to fight down those humidity levels today, and we'll be hopefully all right. Get this coating done and get the other vehicle polished and coated hopefully today as well, and then tomorrow do the third vehicle and then head back to Houston. The coating section, it's coating fine now. I just have a very, very, very fast flash time just with the humidity levels and everything like that. We do have some fans going in the shop here to make sure that we keep the humidity levels down as much as possible, but we're still getting a very fast flash time. So we're looking at maybe like a 20-second flash time. So I'm splitting up the normal panel in half. Sometimes like the door I'm doing in 3 sections instead of like one whole section. See on this paint, actually probably get it right here. All those are like little sweat beads that we're looking for here. We know we can level our ceramics. Start up top here, and we'll work our way down. Making sure that we remove all sweat beads, make sure that we have some nice lighting on there so we see the surface. Make sure we remove everything. We've got vehicle number 2 now. Wash and polish and start coating. We are slowly getting all this mud off here. Well, my pressure washer stopped working. Whew. It is day 3. We are headed back to the customer's house. Day 3, day 4, something like that. I got here Monday afternoon. It's Thursday morning. I'm heading back to the customer's house. His truck is mostly all polished. A couple of spots I got to touch up here still. I want to get a little bit better. And then his windows, everything is ready to be. Everything else is prepped and ready to be coated. I had to stop off at Walmart this morning and get a thermal because it is way too cold. I woke up this morning and it was like 37 degrees, and then the wind made it feel like it was 20 degrees. And I walked out of the Airbnb and I just like blew right through my hoodie. I'm like, oh, I ain't doing that. I had to literally like walk like backwards into the wind because it's just like beating me up. And I'm like, yeah, we're gonna go get some thermals. So I got me some thermals, put this on, and we'll get back to the customer's house and get this detail knocked out. This is what we're looking for here, guys. Big fat sweat beads of alpha here. Same garage, just totally two different humidity levels, really, is what it comes down to. We have cooler temperatures, we have lower humidity levels. Wipes off perfect. And if you guys are still watching the channel, thank you guys for tuning in. And stay tuned for our next project, which is coming up, which we are going to be coating a 182 that is fresh out of the hands of our painters. And then we also have our ADA class coming on this weekend as well. Don't forget, if you want your vehicle to look this badass, we're just one phone call away.